Hello everybody, I'm really excited with the assembly today. You'll see why at the end of the assembly. Now we know what we want at Grange. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude, to be really trying their best, to be always learning, especially from their mistakes. We're not scared of mistakes. If we make a mistake, we learn from our mistake. We're always going for improvement and progress. That means we're always trying to get better. And we use everything we learn, our education, to help us to make great choices in our life, and we don't give up as we go along. So how do we get strong so we can live our best life? So we know physical strength. It's important to be healthy and to exercise well and to eat properly. That's really important because life is full of physical challenges and we need to be healthy. But the real strength that we need is our character strength. That's the strength deep inside us, which is when we are the best that we can be, when we are kind, when we are considerate, when we are caring, and when we are confident and look after ourselves. And that's why at Grange we always say it's important to have character strength because life is full of problems, but actually, if you use your character strength, you can solve the problems and then you actually grow from that and do even better. So every time you have a problem, you just say, which character strength will I use? And we are going today to concentrate on the virtue of wisdom. So virtue is a good thing and wisdom is a really good thing. It's much, much stronger than intelligence. It's when you really think deeply and you learn from everything you go through in life and you use that to help you to make good decisions. So here are some of the character strengths that make up wisdom. So the first thing is creativity. Wherever you have a problem, you say, there must be a way to sort out this problem. Let me think of it. And if you come up with an excellent way of solving your problem, that's creativity. It's finding a new way, a different way to solve your problem. And then there's curiosity. Again, when you have a problem, sometimes if you are open and you say, let me try and find out different things so that I can use those to help me to solve my problems. That's curiosity. When you're interested, you're really interested. And the one we're looking at today is called judgment. And judgment is when you are standing there or sitting there and everybody's telling you, oh, do this or do that, do this, do that. And you're not sure, what should I actually do? Well, judgment means making up your own mind so you make a good decision for yourself. And the way to do that is you keep an open mind. There are always different ways of looking at things. Some people might say do it like this, some people might say do it like that. So you keep an open mind. You're a good listener. You listen. Maybe the people who say you should do it like this, you listen to why they say you should do it like this. The people who say you should do it like that, you listen to why they say you should do it like that. But then you say, I've listened to everybody, I've heard everything, but now I'm going to make my own mind up respectfully. And that will help you because often in life, some people tell you do this and some people tell you do that. You've got to make a decision. You just can't do both. But when you use the character strength of judgment, you listen, but then you make up your own mind respectfully. And this is why I said I was excited with this assembly. Look at these people: Rumi, Greta Thunberg, Olada Equino, Sojourner Truth, Alan Turing, Malala, Bob Marley, John Lennon. These are all names of people that we have used to inspire us to name classes in Grange Primary School. And these are people who had the confidence to say, yes, I hear some people who say I should do things differently, but I've heard and I've thought about it and I've made up my own mind. And that's really, really important. That's the Grange CC way. You need to be confident to make up your own mind and make good decisions. And you need to be considerate so that when you make those decisions, you're always thinking about other people as well. That's our philosophy for life. That's why I say, let's be great, let's be Grange. That's why I say, live your life with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. And don't be afraid to listen. Use the character strength of judgment and make up your own mind and get some Classcharts points for using that great character strength of judgment. Proud of you all.